Hey everyone, welcome back to another interesting video. In this video, we are going to see multiplication by a number which contains all lines. For example, you can see the numbers on the board. So, let's get started. Let me first solve these questions so that it will be clear to you that you need just few seconds to solve these kind of questions. So, that's it. You might be wonder how am I doing this? So let's see the trick. So start with first one. So you take that number 513. Now you subtract 1 from this number. That means the answer is 512. Right. Now you just subtract this 512 from 999 and the answer for this is 487, and hence the answer for the first one is 512487. Let me repeat it again. You just take 513, subtract 1 from it, so it is 512. Now you subtract 512 from 999 and you just write that number here, and hence the answer is 512487. Now let's look at the second one. So you just follow the same procedure. So here we have a number 63, subtract 1 from it, so we have this 62. Now you subtract this 62 from 9999 and hence the answer for that is 9937, and therefore the answer for this multiplication is 629937. Is that clear? Now let's look at the third one. So you just follow the same procedure. So here we have 864, so subtract 1, it is 863, and from this 9999 you just subtract 863, so it is 9136, and therefore answer to the third one is 8639136. I hope it is clear to you. You might be thinking that what is the mathematics behind this and why is it working? So there is a simple formula which is A times B or A into B, where A and B are two numbers, is just equal to A minus 1 times B plus 1 plus B minus A minus 1. If you simplify the right hand side of this expression, then you will get this as AB. Now, if we put B is equal to some number, say 99 or 999 or 9999, then let's see what happens. So let me put B as 999. So here we have A into 999 is equal to, A is some number, right? Here it is 513. So this is just what is, so let me put this A minus 1 as it is. Now B plus 1 is nothing but 999 plus 1, that means it is 1000 plus. B is 999 and this minus A minus 1. Now A minus 1 times 1000 is same as A minus 1 is some number, and we have 0 0 0, right? And then we are adding this 999 minus of A minus 1, right? So this is nothing but a 3-digit number, right? Because when you subtract this 513 from 999, you will get a 3-digit number which is 487. So we are just adding this 3-digit number, right? And here we have these 3 zeros, right? So we are adding this. So this is just equal to A minus 1. These are zeros and we are adding this 3-digit number. So this is as it is, 999 minus A minus 1, and which is exactly same as this answer. Now important note is that this is not a multiplication here. This is just a remaining part of the answer. That means this a minus 1 is nothing but this 512 and the remaining part is 487. This is that part. So this is not a multiplication. So just remember this. Now let's look at the second example. Now here we have 9999, right? So what is the trick? You just replace this b by 9999 and when we add 1 there will be extra 0 here, right? So these are 4 zeros here. Now just replace this. So it is 9 and this will be a 4-digit number. So just add this number here. So that will be just a minus 1 and instead of these zeros we have this as 9999 minus a minus 1, right? Again the same thing. This is not a multiplication in between these two numbers. This is just the remaining part of that number. That means here it is 9937 and a minus 1 is just 62. I hope this is clear to you. Now you can try for the third example. Now let's look at the fourth example. So here we have 99. So the important observation is that here we have 3-digit number and 3-digit number, 2-digit number, 4-digit number, 3-digit, 4-digit. That means the number of digits in these numbers are less equal the number of digits in these numbers. But for the fourth example, the number of digits here are 4 and the number of digits here are just 2. That means the number of digits here are greater than the number of digits in these numbers. So there is another trick for these kind of questions, which is AB, that is a times b is a into or a times b plus 1 minus a. So when you simplify this, it will be ab plus a minus a, that is same as ab, right? To solve this question, we just have to put b is 99, right, for the fourth example, and this a is 4328, right? Now b plus 1 is 100, right? So we just have to put a is equal to 4328 and this is into 100. So that means this is just 4328, 2 zeros minus a. What is a? It is 4328, right? So we have to just take this subtraction. So for this the answer is 428472. Similarly, for the fifth example, you just replace that b by 999 and so this becomes 1000 and here a is 3828, right? So this is just 3828 times this 1000, that means 000, right? And minus a is 3828. So just subtract this quantity. We have 3824172 as the answer. You can also use this trick for these three examples, but as we are taking this subtraction, it is quite time consuming. For the first three examples, you just follow the previous trick. I hope you find these tricks interesting and that will definitely help you. Thank you for watching this video.